So let's move on and solve some more questions. I'm on question number 3, part 6, 3 cosec square 60. So 3 multiplied with cosec 60 is 2 upon root 3. So this is 2 upon root 3 whole square minus 2 into cot square 30. Cot 30 is root 3. So root 3 whole square plus sec square 45. Sec 45 is root 2. So is equal to root 2 square. This is my left hand side. 3 into 4 upon 3 minus 2 into 3 plus this will be 2. This will be equal to 4 minus 6 plus 2, which is equal to 0, which is equal to right hand side. Done. Let's move on to question 4, part 2. Question 4, part 2 has left hand side equal to cos 2 into 30 degree, which is equal to cos 60 degree, and cos 60 degree is equal to half. Now let's see if right hand side is also the same. Right hand side is 1 minus tan square 30. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 whole square, and this is 1 plus 1 upon root 3 whole square. So this is 1 minus 1 upon 3 divided by 1 plus 1 upon 3. This is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 3 divided by 3 plus 1 upon 3. This is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied with 3 upon 4. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. This is half is equal to half, which is equal to left hand side. Hence proved. Done. Let's move on to question number 6, part 1. We need to prove that sine 60 is equal to something into something. So let's look at the left hand side. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. Now let's look at right hand side. Right hand side is 2 multiplied with sine 30. Sine 30 is half multiplied with cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled, and I am left with root 3 upon 2, which is equal to left hand side. Hence proved. I am on question 7, part 2. Given that sec A is equal to cosec A, and A lies between 0 degree and 90 degree, find the value of A. Now let's look at the table and see if sec and cosec have any equal values. Yes, I noticed that sec and cosec have equal values for angle 45. Since sec 45 degree is equal to cosec 45 degree is equal to root 2, therefore A is equal to 45 degree. Let's look at question number 7, part 3. Tan theta is equal to cot theta, and theta is between 0 degree and 90 degree. Find the value of theta. Let's look at the table again and see if any value of tan and cot is equal. Yes, tan 45. So since tan 45 degree is equal to cot 45 degree is equal to 1, therefore theta is equal to 45 degree. Let's move on to question 11, part 1. Cos 3a minus 2 cos 4a, and a is given equal to 15, which means my question is cos 45 degree 3 into 15, 45, minus 2 cos 4a is 4 into 15 is 60 degree, divided by sine 3a. 3 into a is 45 degree, plus 2 into sine 4a. 4a would be 60 degree. So let's substitute value. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 minus 2 multiplied with cos 60. Cos 60 is half, divided by sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2 plus 2 into sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So I have 1 upon root 2 minus 1 divided by 1 upon root 2 plus root 3. Let's take LCM. So this is 1 minus root 2 upon root 2, and I am taking this on the other side already. This is root 2 was the LCM. This will be 1 plus root 3. No, not root 3. This will be 1 plus root 3 into root 2, which will be root 6. So root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled, and I am left with 1 minus root 2 upon 1 plus root 6. Let me pause this for a minute and then I'll come back. So let's move on. I had left it the question at 1 minus root 2 upon 1 plus root 6. I remember that I need to rationalize and I can't leave any denominator with a square root sign. So I will rationalize by multiplying both numerator and denominator with 1 minus root 6. When I multiply, this will be 1 minus root 6 minus root 2 plus root 2 into root 6 will be root 12 divided by 1 square minus root 6 square, which is 6. So this will be 1 minus root 6 minus root 2 plus, that will be 4 into 3, that's 2 root 3 upon negative 5. This is my answer. Let's solve one more question, the last one for this. Question 11 part 2. Question 11 part 2 is 3 sine 3b. B is given equal to 20 degree. So my question changes to 3 sine 60 degree plus 2 cos 2b plus 5, which is 45 degree upon 2 cos 3b, which is 60 degree, minus sine 2b, which is 40 minus 10, 30 degree. Now let's get to the values and let's substitute values. So I have 3 sine 3 into sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 plus 2 into cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 divided by 2 into cos 60. Cos 60 is half minus sine 30. Sine 30 is also half. So this is 3 root 3 plus 2 divided by, this is 3 root 3 upon 2 plus 2 upon root 2 divided by 1 minus half. Let's multiply this by root 2. So this becomes 3 root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 2 upon 2 divided by half. So this becomes 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 2 multiplied with 2 upon 1. So this becomes 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. That's my final answer. So this finishes this exercise for now. I still have some time, so I will revise how to get the values once again. So let's look at this very carefully. Uh, let's revise how to get those values. So to get the values, first you write 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. These are the 5 standard angles. Write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, divided by 4, and then take square root. So the first value you get is of sine 0, which is 0. Next value you get is sine 30, which is half. This is 1 by root 2 because 2, 1, 2, 2. This is root 3. This is root 3 by 2, and this is 1. To move from sine to cos, just go the reverse order. So now this becomes 1, this becomes root 3 by 2, this becomes 1 by root 2, this is half, and this is 0. To calculate tan, you divide sine by cos. 0 by 1, 0. This is 1 by root 3. This is 1. This is root 3. And this is infinite, not defined. To move from tan to cot, go not reciprocal, go the reverse order. Infinite, root 3, 1, 1 upon root 3, and 0. Next is sec. Do a reciprocal of sine. So this becomes 1, this becomes 2 upon root 3, this becomes root 2, this becomes 2, and this is not defined. To get into cosec, you can either do exactly the reverse of this or do reciprocal of sine. I will do reverse of this. So this is infinite 2 root 2, 2 upon root 3, and 1. Simple, isn't it? Just remember 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4 and square root. Thank you. Take care and be safe.